Welcome all, I'm Disco the Clown. I have been a clown for more than 7 years and a lawyer for over 40 years. I am here to tell you that clowning is not all fun and games or laughs and giggles. There are many serious aspects to this noble pursuit which have nothing to do with donning our wigs and assuming our preferred persona. Unfortunately, we live in a litigious society, so we need to take precautions to protect ourselves and our assets as we pursue our avocation. Each year at our annual clown college, we offer at least two courses dealing with the legal aspects of clowning. Legal issues in clowning is a survey course reviewing the various legal issues we are likely to encounter practicing the art of clowning, since, by its very nature, we deal with the public. The other course we typically offer is clowning for profit, dealing with the business aspects of our avocation. We also attempt to answer your questions during these sessions. All instructors in these courses are practicing attorneys. In fact, I have heard it said that all lawyers are a bunch of clowns. If you clown with a shrine unit and are participating in unit activities and jobs, you should be covered by insurance provided by the shrine. Therefore, it is important that the appropriate bodies in your shrine are notified of these jobs and the unit's participation is authorized by the shrine. This is typically done through your boss clown or the unit's secretary. Do not freelance holding yourself out as a shrine clown, as you very likely may not be covered by their insurance. Right about now, many of you are saying, "Hey, Disco, I'm not a shrine clown. What about me?" I say, after you determine your persona, purchase your makeup, and design your outfit, do not take on jobs without obtaining insurance. If you are clowning with a group, ask questions to determine whether or not you are covered. There are many specific policies which cover clowning or entertaining. If you are not covered, you should contact your insurance agent. Also, insurance can be obtained through dedicated organizations such as Clowns of America and the World Clown Association. Why, why would we need insurance? We are only making people laugh, you ask. There are many pitfalls we can encounter. You twist and give out a balloon to a child with a latex allergy, or the balloon breaks and the child chokes on it. You face paint children so they can share in the joy of a decorated face and they develop an infection. Start interacting with the audience or the crowd, and the next thing you know, a policeman is tapping you on the shoulder for an unwanted touching, better known in the legal profession as a battery. I would note that criminal actions may very well not be covered by insurance. Criminal actions, by their very nature, are illegal and therefore not accidental and are typically excluded from insurance coverage. While not specifically legal, we also discussed the Clown Code of Conduct. Yes, we have one of those, which, if followed, will go a long way towards keeping us out of trouble. We also discussed the business aspects of clowning. If you are doing this for profit, always remember that you have turned your clowning fund into a business. You are then responsible for obtaining all necessary permits and licenses that might be required for your various activities. You must determine whether you will embark on this endeavor as an individual, a limited liability company, or a corporation. You will have to address tax issues. You will need to prepare contracts to ensure that both you and your customers have a full understanding of not only the extent and limit of the services you will be providing, but also the cost of those services. It is recommended that you retain the services of both a lawyer and an accountant in the initial setup of your clowning business. While many of the requirements seem easy enough to do, there are many bureaucratic pitfalls that the professionals are paid to address and avoid. There is an old legal saying, a lawyer that represents himself has a fool for a client. This is even more true when we try to go solo in something we know nothing about. We have students from across the country that attend the Institute. Therefore, our legal offerings are meant to be survey courses. Each of the 50 states has their own set of laws, as does the federal government. Our instructors, while having a number of years of experience, only practice law in Massachusetts and Rhode Island and are not qualified to render specific advice regarding the laws of other states. I hope that this presentation has raised your awareness regarding legal and business aspects of our profession. It is meant to provide you with the basic tools and information to protect you and ensure that if you take the time to lay a proper foundation and background as you embark on your career of clowning, you can enjoy it and have fun knowing you have the proper precautions in place and knowledge in hand. Keep on clowning, and I hope to see all of you in January of 2022.